Hello, my kindergarten friends. It's Miss Hess here in the library one last time this year. This is my goodbye story, but we're not really saying goodbye, just see you later. And if you are moving this summer, I wish you all the best. Have a good life and do great things. And if you're coming back next year, I will see you right back here in the library. Okay, so in honor of the end of the year and summer beginning, I have a story related to summertime. And it's one of my favorite series books in this whole library. Series means there's more than one story with the same characters. Okay? So our story today is Froggy Learns to Swim. Yay! Perfect summer story, right? And this is by Jonathan London and illustrated by Frank Remkowitz. Are you ready? All right, kinders, buckle up. Miss Hess is actually going to wear her glasses to help see a little bit better. Okay? Froggy Learns to Swim. Here we go. Here's our title page. Title pages have the title, the author, and the illustrator, if there is one. It was hot. "It's a great day for a swim," said Froggy's mother. So Froggy and his parents flopped outside to the pond. Flop, flop, flop. Remember when we did that before? When we read a Froggy story earlier in the year? I like to do the flop, flop, flop. Yep. Okay. On your mark, get set, go! Froggy's father sailed in. Splash! Froggy's mother sailed in. Splash! But where was Froggy? "Froggy!" called his mother. "What?" "Come on in and swim." No, I don't know how to swim. I want to swing." "Whee!" sang Froggy, swinging higher and higher. He swung so high he almost touched the sky. He swung so high he wound round and round the crossbar. Zing! Then unwound like a spring. Zing! And flew through the air. Right smack into the pond. Splash! "What are you doing?" asked Froggy's mother. "I'm drowning!" cried Froggy. "Help!" He grabbed hold of his mother and climbed on. "What do you mean you're drowning? Don't you know frogs are born in the water? They are great swimmers." "Not me," bubbled Froggy. "I can't swim." "Oh, fiddlesticks," she said. "I'll show you how. First, float on your belly and stick your face in. I won't let go. Say, 'Bubble, bubble,' underwater. Then raise your face and say, 'Toot, toot.'" "I don't want to," Froggy whined. "Oh, come on, Froggy, just try it. Repeat after me. Bubble, bubble, toot, toot. Bubble, bubble, toot, toot," sputtered Froggy. "Great. Now float on your back and do the frog kick. I won't let go. Then go like this. And she showed Froggy how, saying, "Chicken, airplane, soldier." "Do it and repeat after me. Chicken, airplane, soldier."
"I don't want to,"
whined Froggy. "Oh, come on, Froggy, just try it."
"Chicken, airplane, soldier,"
gasped Froggy. He glubbed and blubbed and almost sank.
"Mommy, I need my flippers. Then I'll swim."
Froggy climbed out and flopped back to his house. He pulled on his flippers, zoop, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash. "Now try it again," said Froggy's mother.
"Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier."
He glubbed and blubbed and almost sank.
"Mommy, I need my mask and snorkel. Then I'll swim."
Froggy climbed out and flopped back to his house. He pulled on his mask and snorkel, zook, zook, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash. "Now one more time," said Froggy's mother.
"Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier."
And then it happened.
"Oops,"
sputtered Froggy. "What's the matter?" asked his mother.
"Oh, nothing,"
he said, looking more red in the face than green. "Well, it's getting cold, Froggy. It's time to get out."
"No, no, I can't get out."
"Why not?"
"Well,"
and he bubbled under water while she crawled out. Then he burst up for air and yelled,
"Wait!"
"What is it?" asked his mother.
"My bathing suit!"
he shouted.
"Don't look, I'm getting out."
So he lost his bathing suit in the water. Froggy climbed out and yanked on his bathing suit with a zap of elastic. Then he pulled on his flippers, zoop, and sailed back into the pond. Flop, flop, splash. "Froggy!" called his mother.
"What?"
"I told you, it's time to get out."
"No, no, I don't want to get out. I want to swim."
Froggy's mother shook her head. "I told you frogs are great swimmers," she said, and sat down with Froggy's father to watch him. And Froggy sang,
"Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken, airplane, soldier."
all night long. Zoom. Poor Mom and Dad went to sleep, and he's still swimming. Fantastic. Did you like that book? Swimming is always a really fun activity to do during the summer, right? Anyway, okay, my kindergarten friends. I miss you, and I wish you the best summer. Take care of yourselves and your families, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.